and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today's recipe, we will be making spicy and rich buffalo chicken chili. Let's get started by marinating our chicken tenders in a ranch seasoning packet. This is going to give your chicken so much flavor, which will give your chili so much flavor. You're simply going to let that marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour, then add it to a sheet tray with about a half a cup of liquid. It can either be water or chicken stock. Bake it in an oven at 325 degrees for about 25 minutes. Your chicken should be nice and moist. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had buffalo chicken chili. Once you remove that from the oven, allow it to cool for about 10 minutes. Give it a dice and set it aside. In a heavy bottom pot, you're going to add a small amount of cooking oil and some bacon. The bacon fat will also give your chili great flavor. This recipe is great for the holidays. Once your guests are done with holiday food and they want something different, this will be the perfect food for them. Go ahead and saute your bacon until it gets nice and crispy and leave the bacon drippings in the pot. Remove the cooked bacon and then move forward with the vegetables. Go ahead and add your celery, onions, and carrots to the pot. I'm not adding my carrots at this point because they were already in a can and they're ready to go. Also add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Allow that to cook for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. I'm adding the carrots at this point. Give that a quick stir until combined. Now I'm going to add a little bit of heat with 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Mix until combined. Add 1 seasoning packet of the white chicken chili. Stir until combined. This will give your chili great flavor and it would also thicken it. Add a little bit of chicken stock and 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. The fire roasted tomatoes will give your chili great flavor. It also works well when you're using pasta dishes or any other recipes that calls for tomatoes. Next, go in with 1 can of white beans. I'm using Cannellini beans. I did wash and drain them. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Add 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature. This will make your chili thick and rich. Stir until combined. The last ingredient is the ranch chicken that we made earlier. Add it back to your pot. It's already done. We're just simply reheating it. At this point, you can turn your burner off and add about 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce. My favorite is Baby Ray's, but you can add whatever brand you like. Now our chili is ready. Go ahead and adjust your seasonings. Also add a little bit more of chicken stock if it's too thick. You can go ahead, place your chili in a bowl and serve it with tortilla chips, bagel chips, veggie sticks, whatever you like to eat chili with. You can also add additional cheese, ranch dip, and crunchy jalapeno peppers on top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. I appreciate you, and until next time, bye-bye.